But we've put together this to show you some of the themes that have come out of the cross-examination and the few witnesses that we've seen on the stand from the defense in support of their case that this was suicide, not a homicide. They highlight that in Kendi Howard's body, there was no petechiae, no hemorrhaging marks on her face or neck, which is often associated with a strangulation. Also, no DNA from the defendant underneath her fingernails, and they note she just got her nails done, so if she had been clawing, that the only DNA that would be there would be the person who was attacking her. Also, they note that Dan Howard didn't have any gunshot residue on his hands and that she was struggling personally. And we saw some of that come out through her parents' testimony. Michael, that put together with the fact that they have the original medical examiner on their side, how successful do you think the defense might be in getting reasonable doubt in the minds of these jurors?
I've thought before the defense even put on their case, and I know they put it on, we haven't seen it yet. I thought before that the case against the defendant was outrageously circumstantial and that there was beyond reasonable doubt, right? I've always thought that, because when you see them putting on the parents and you don't see any DNA or forensic ties from the defendant to the crime scene, to me, I don't see how you can convict somebody of murder if it's just circumstantial, and if it's just think about it for a second how tragic it would be. Let's just say he's innocent, and we don't know that, but let's just say he did not hold a pillow over her face. But the judge allowed the father to say that she told me that she woke up one day to a pillow being held over her face, right? And the accusation is strangulation. And then you're a jury in the box. And then one juror's gonna look at the other and say, well, he held a pillow to her face. Well, no, he didn't. We're supposed to weigh the credibility of that. Well, no, why'd the judge let it in? It's just, to me, it's outrageously circumstantial. So to me, I think what you just presented, Julia, shows, my opinion, there's reasonable doubt he committed this murder.
Well, we will see on Monday when things pick back up. Michael Jaafar, thank you so much for your legal expertise and your time.